Today we're unboxing the Xbox controller. I know I'm a little late to the game, it's 2024, but I just got the controller today, and let's unbox it. Actually, in fact, I didn't get this for Xbox, I don't even have an Xbox. I got this for the computer, as well as using it for my iPad and Android devices. So you can see it's the red color. They go for about $70 online or at your local store. To open it, there's a little tab here. You can pull that through right here. And then, oh, you just lift it up. And here you go. So it's a very nice presentation. I got the red color, so you can see it's nice, beautiful pulse red. You can see the back, it's white. Here, you can open up battery pack, so you can put 2 AA batteries, or you can get a rechargeable battery and put that in there. Let's close that. Here you can see the USB-C, the wireless connection, the keys, the buttons, the joysticks. You can see this little rubberized here, so it's really nice. I like that it's a little textured on the palm grip, so it won't fall out. It's a good size. And then here you have another port here. I'm not sure what that's for, but this is for your headphones. Let's see what else is here. Oh, it does come with 2 batteries, which is nice. AA Duracell. Some instruction booklets, warranty information. But the box itself is really nice how it opens up here, you can see. And then this little thing here, the plastic covering, you probably use this if you're not using it on the side. I guess you put it on the side, or you put it in here. And then when you're not using it, you can close it. But it's really cool. Yeah, and so the reason why I got this is so I can use this on my computer. Like I said before, I don't have an Xbox, so we'll test it out on my computer. I also have a iPad and an Apple Vision Pro, and so we'll test it on the Apple Vision Pro. And see playing games on that with the joysticks, because as you know, the Apple Vision Pro doesn't have any input devices. It uses your hand gesture, so you press your thumb and your finger together. You can see there's little colors here, yellow, blue, green, and blue here. But the buttons itself is red. I guess the normal color buttons would have color in here, but this one's all red, the inside. Build quality is pretty nice. And there you have it. This is the Xbox controller. I think it's officially called the I think Series X here. Yep, Xbox Series X. Xbox One, Android. You can see all it comes with. But yeah, this one standard comes with your Xbox. So here you go, the Xbox unboxing. Thank you. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.